Had it not been for his wife and attentive healthcare providers who noticed something was amiss, he may not have known that he had contracted COVID-19. Now the couple is in quarantine in the Villages after a frightening 2 weeks.
So he's home now. We're very fortunate he's home. He's very weak and he's not able to talk yet.
Through this FaceTime call, Susan Perry says her husband of 25 years is recovering in quarantine.
We're in separate parts of our house. We have separate bathrooms. He's eating off disposable dishes, knives, forks, and spoons.
A turn of events as abrupt as the COVID-19 symptoms, she says, sent 67-year-old Tony Perry to the emergency room.
He's perfectly healthy, and that's one of the things I think people need to understand. He had no pre-existing conditions.
The critical care nurse says the scary diagnosis was a sobering wake-up call.
We'd flown out of Orlando into Providence, and we thought we took all the precautions. We cleaned everything with disinfectant.
Before long, she says he was hospitalized with a dry cough and a fever hovering around 104.
They told us from the very time we went in the hospital that he was going to have to do this fight himself.
While Susan tested negative, she says she is taking all precautions amid this pandemic that has sickened thousands.
To think about having to live my life without him is unbearable. I feel very, very blessed to have him home.
Now, Susan says they still have 12 days remaining in quarantine. However, her family and their neighbors have also been tested for COVID-19. As for Tony, he is still not out of the woods. However, he's expected to recover. Reporting in the Villages, Nikki Zizazi, Getting Results, News 6.